Well, you're not going to believe this one. On Thursday night, August 27th, we brought you footage of a male on a bicycle who was hit by a vehicle on Garth Road as he left Walmart. He was subsequently life-flighted to Herman Hospital in Houston. Tonight, Saturday, August 29th, almost 48 hours later, he was back at Walmart, and he got another free ride, but this time in the back of a police cruiser. Walmart management called 911 to report a male with a knife in the store. The male was stuffing his pockets with items and brandished a big knife. He also had a marijuana cigarette in his possession.
About 20 foot from the front now, approaching the front door. Dirty white shirt, khaki pants, and he's walked into the studio now. Trying it down.
Well,